Hi. Of this first image, I will read from a text I wrote, and then on the next image, I will talk freely. This avoids me from making about 1,000 takes. Hi. In this video, I analyze a third freshwater pumping station. I kept the best for last just before Christmas. It's the most complete yet. Light blue is the valley downhill. Green is midhill. Yellow is a plateau uphill. Orange/red is a plateau on top of a plateau. We have 3 red plateaus. Each red plateau is the roof of some sort of labyrinth. Each labyrinth is a tank. It is built like a labyrinth to prevent the roof from caving in, as the labyrinth provides supporting walls. I propose these 3 red plateaus have been carved into rectangles by man. Once a year, the Nile overflow flooded the yellow level. It did not flood the light blue level. This is when the labyrinth/tank below the red level got filled. The secret of the pyramids is that water came from above, not below. Energy equals mass times g times height. Later, when the Nile went down, the water was stuck inside the labyrinth because air could not come in from the top. By letting air in from the top, this allowed the water to escape from below into the valley, light blue level. The weight of the water pulled greatly on the air, and a vast quantity of air was needed inside the labyrinth in order for it to empty itself. The labyrinth air intake was connected to the hermetic, implosion-resistant causeway tunnel. This means the causeway is a vacuum tube bringing suction to the valley temple. Fresh water gets pumped into the valley temple like water gets pumped into Shop-Vac vacuum machines. See my 2 other videos about this. So, what is happening here is that undrinkable Nile overflow water uphill starts receding, creates a suction, which in turn pumps fresh drinkable water from underground downhill. It's just basically marvelous. It's marvelous. Okay, now here is the unscripted part. So I've said the essentials, now I could mess up. Okay, so here what we see is the site, home of Step Pyramid and Unas Pyramid. I believe that the Step Pyramid Plateau and the Unas Pyramid Plateau, which are essentially the same plateau, both feed in to the vacuum. Both generate the vacuum and add one another to the vacuum. So basically, the red rectangle represents the entrance of the labyrinth, the tank. It doesn't represent it, it's what it is. Okay, the green rectangle shows you that the plateau is the rock, the earth crust. It's pure rock. It's about 2-3 meters thick, and they probably had a softer layer below on which they dug the labyrinth. And the blue rectangle is on the opposite side. It's the same plateau, it's the same earth crust, it's the same top rock layer, which has been emptied below into a vast labyrinth. The white rectangle shows you the only remnant of the covered causeway, which here is a remnant of the suction tube bringing suction down to the valley. I propose that this tube here was implosion-resistant and hermetic. This is the same one, just seen bigger. This is a remaining vacuum tube. This is the most complete freshwater pumping station in Egypt. It is the third one. Thank you very much.